Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the unveiling of the stunning HYMER B-Class MC T 580 X LTD. This exceptional motorhome is built on the robust Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, featuring a powerful 170 horsepower engine and a weight variant of 4,500 kilograms with more than 1,000 kilograms payload, ensuring you have the strength and stability for all of your adventures. Let's start with the exterior. The cab is finished in a sleek obsidian black metallic, perfectly complemented by the crystal silver metallic body. Together, they create a striking visual appeal that will turn heads wherever you go. The 18-inch premium wheels with Continental all-season tires not only enhance the look, but also provide a smooth ride in any weather. Now let's step inside and explore the luxurious features. The comfort entrance door is equipped with a window, blackout roller blind, integrated trash can, and a double locking system for added security. Once inside, you'll find pilot seats upholstered in Napa for Bentley, new market tan, same as in the living room, fully adjustable with heating and lumbar support for those long journeys. The B-Class MC T 580 X LTD is packed with advanced technology. The 9G Tronic automatic transmission ensures a smooth driving experience, while the MBUX multimedia system with a 10.25-inch touchscreen offers navigation, smartphone integration, and voice control. Safety features like the adaptive cruise control Distronic Plus and lane keeping assist make every trip safer and more enjoyable. For those who love the outdoors, this motorhome includes a spacious awning, perfect for creating a cozy outdoor space. The HYMER Smart Battery System 2.0, featuring multiple lithium batteries, solar system, and an inverter, allows off-grid camping without sacrificing comfort. Let's not forget the stylish details. The option night grille, color-matched bumpers, and fog lights with cornering function add a touch of elegance to this already impressive vehicle. Inside, the ambient lighting system creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the extra large bed and custom-fitted sheets ensure a restful night's sleep. In summary, the HYMER B-Class MC T 580 X LTD is not just a motorhome, it's a luxurious home on wheels, designed for those who seek adventure without compromising on comfort and style. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you're as excited about this incredible vehicle as we are.
HYMER, the benchmark.